In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude extension in Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store by typing chromewebstore.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. The Chrome Web Store is the official place where you can safely browse and install extensions for your browser. So this is the right starting point whenever you want to add a new tool to Chrome. When the store page loads, look for the search bar, usually near the top or on the left side depending on your layout. In that search bar, type YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude, and then press enter to search. Make sure you type the name carefully so it's easier to find the correct extension in the results. After the search results appear, find the extension named YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude and click on it to open its details page. This page gives you more information about the extension, and it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct one before installing anything in your browser. Next, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then show you a pop-up confirmation box. This is normal, and it's there so you can review the action before the extension is installed. In that pop-up, click Add Extension to confirm. After a few moments, Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. Once the installation is complete, the extension may appear in the extensions area of your browser. To make it easier to access anytime, pin the extension icon to your browser toolbar. To do that, click the extensions icon in Chrome, which usually looks like a small puzzle piece near the top right corner of the browser window. Then find YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude in the list and click the pin icon next to it. After you do that, the extension will stay visible in your toolbar for quick access whenever you need it. That's it. The extension is now installed and pinned in Chrome, making it much more convenient to use as you browse. If you're following along, take a moment to make sure the icon is visible in your toolbar so you know the setup is complete.